Hello, children! Today, we'll learn the ut family words. Are you ready? Great! Let's say the sounds together. T. Ut. T. Ut. Great job! Now let's read the ut family words one by one. B. Ut. But. I like apples, but I also like bananas. K. Ut. Cut. Let's cut the paper carefully. G. Ut. Gut. Your gut helps digest food and keeps you healthy. Ut. Hut. A hut is a small house. N. Ut. Nut. Squirrels love to eat nuts. R. Ut. Rut. A rut is a groove in the road. Wonderful! Now let's repeat all the ut family words together. But. Cut. Gut. Hut. Nut. And rut. Good job! Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more phonics adventures.